This is Brian from Bear Bull Traders. Hope everyone's having a good day. I recently posted something regarding swing trading. Did a blog on that, gave you some of my thoughts, some of my ideas and strategies that I use when I look for good swing trades. So I'm just following this up with a video here, and I'll just show you one swing trade I did recently that worked out really well and why I entered the trade. So this is a company called Quidane or QD. Quidane, I hope I'm saying it right. Recent IPO, and you can see the daily action on the thing. It first day it opened, it closed down or it dropped down, and then came back up the next day, and then it kind of just started to sell off. Occasional up day, but for the most part just sold off. You can see here though that this day is what really got my interest. You can see here how it made a new low from this previous day, but then it reversed. Buyers came in obviously and just pushed the thing up, and you can see it finished well above the previous day's high. So nice, real nice reversal day on this stock. So I really thought that this gave a nice indicator and for a swing trade. And one of the things I talked about in my swing trade blog was how your timing. So given the fact that this is in sort of a downtrend anyway, I kind of felt that I'd probably be just an overnight swing trade. So taking a look at how that traded during the day, you can see here it again started sort of at the previous day's close, sold off, went to a new low, and then it just came back up here and sold off a little bit, then started to consolidate above the previous day's close. And what really again got my interest was this really nice close that it made into the day, into the end of the day. You can see here, kind of making a nice wave pattern, selling off a little, higher low, another higher low, and then a really nice strong close. And that's the other thing I really like when I'm doing a swing trade, particularly overnight. I like to see a strong close into the end of the day. So I started scaling in a little bit here and took some more added to my position, making sure that it wasn't going to tail off here. But added it onto my position as the day ended, and the stock continued to show strength into the close. So I really liked the way it closed. I liked the daily, as I already discussed, and I liked the way it closed. So I held this position. I took it home, as they say, and you can see it worked out really well. Gapped up nicely. I took a little bit off at the open, and then I sort of watched it just to make sure it wasn't going to go back to the previous day's close. It did a little sell-off, which you usually expect. People start taking profits like me, and then it pushed higher. So I think I took some off, somewhere around here, 27.50. I can't remember exactly where I ended up closing out my position, but really nice. Really nice swing trade, overnight swing trade, and had all the elements of a good overnight swing trade too. Like I said, no risk of binary events, no earnings, no announcements coming, no secondary offerings because it was a fresh IPO. So I really liked the whole thing. There's always a risk. It's it's going to end up down here, opening, and you're going to lose money on it, but this one had, in my mind, had a good probability of being a successful overnight hold, and that's the way it turned out in this case. So profitable trading, everyone. Hopefully, see you in the chat room at the Bear Bull Traders. And if I find anything more like this, I'll usually post them on Stock Twits. Again, I don't make recommendations for people to buy stocks, but I certainly don't mind sharing what I'm looking at. So profitable day, everyone. We'll talk to you soon, and we'll look for you in the chat room. Thanks. Bye.